Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am going to be making for you a classic chili recipe and I hope you guys like it, but without further ado, let's just get started. And I started off with a half of a yellow onion. I'm going to peel it and then I'm going to dice it, and we're going to do a small dice for this onion. I'm then going to take one red pepper. I'm going to cut off the faces of the pepper, discard the core, and then again we're going to do a small dice. You want it to be an equal size with the onions. Now that we're done with that, we're going to move over to the stove. I have a pan here which I'm going to add some olive oil to, and I'm going to let that heat up over a medium-high heat, to which I'm going to add in a pound of ground pork. You can use ground beef for this or ground turkey. Just choose whichever meat you want to use and it'll all work the same. And we're just going to go ahead and brown this meat. We're also going to season it with some salt and pepper. We're going to be seasoning this chili a few times throughout the course of this recipe because you want to season each layer to really make sure you have a good depth of flavor. And then I'm going to go ahead and set all the meat aside, but I'm going to keep the oil in there when I set it aside just to keep the meat really moist. And when we add it back to the pan later on, we'll discard of it. So now I'm going to put the pan back on the stove with some more olive oil. And we're going to add our chopped onions that we diced earlier, and we're going to just saute these until they are translucent. Once they're translucent, I'm going to go ahead and add in the diced red peppers, and again we're just going to let this cook off for about 3 to 5 minutes just till your peppers are nice and soft. Once that's all cooked down, I'm going to go ahead and add in a tablespoon of ground garlic. You're just going to let this cook for about a minute before adding in 1 cup of chicken stock. This is going to help to deglaze the pan, and we're going to once again season with some salt and pepper. Give that all a good mix, making sure to scrape the bottom of the pan, and then we're going to go ahead and add in our ground pork. I'm using that slotted spoon because I want to make sure I'm not adding in any of the fat, and give everything a good mix. Now we're going to go ahead and add all the classic chili seasonings like cumin, paprika, and chili powder, and you just want to do this to taste. And as you know, I like a lot of seasoning, so I'm going to add in a lot. But if you feel like you don't add in enough at this stage, it's totally okay because we're going to go back in later and add some more if need be. And I'm also going to add in a few tablespoons of sugar. This is going to help to balance out the acidity when we add in all of our tomato products. So I'm going to go ahead and add in 1 big can of diced tomatoes. I'm going to use the back of the spoon just to help break it up a bit, and this is going to help release some of the extra juices within those tomatoes. And then we'll go with 1 large can of pureed tomato sauce. And we're going to give that all a really good mix before adding in our kidney beans. And then we're going to add in some oregano. Again, just to do it to taste, because everybody likes different levels of flavor to their chili, so you want to do what really suits you. And then you're going to give that a good mix, and then we're just going to cover that with a lid. Yes, my lid is broken, and I let that simmer for about an hour, mixing it every once in a while. This is also the stage where you can taste it and check for seasoning. I'm actually going to be adding in some more seasoning at this stage because I wanted a lot more. For all the end measurements that I use in this video, you can find it in the subscription box below. And with that, we are done with this video. I topped my chili off with some cheddar and some sour cream, and I ate some buns, and it was really good, and I liked it, and I hope you guys like it too. If you do, make sure to hit the thumbs up, subscribe for new videos every Monday and Thursday. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you know every time I upload a new video, and leave some comments below for what you guys want me to cook next time. And until next time, bye!